He doesn't.
So when I leave in 5 more days, I'll come over and get the pony.
Okay, what made you decide to do that?
Mom.
Ah, okay.
Mom said he needs to be rode.
He does.
So why not ride him up in Penguin?
That's a good idea.
I take out 6 to 7 groups a day. So if he gets tired, I'll switch to Carmel. Now where did the pony come from, Burdell?
Okay, now wait. My camera's kind of slow. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
See, isn't that better than pulling on your saddle horn?
I had to.
Walk out.
Oh yeah, I'm cruising to go across the thing that way. Are you ready, Mom?
I'm a-going. I'm a-coming. Right behind you, too.
Or that way. Come on, Lulu.
Freaking assholes. Oh yeah, that's on here. Okay, I've got to turn it.
Just go right here.
Okay.
You want us to go that way?
See, they'll leave each other. I've got Jonna. Walk him out. Yeah, do that and then I'll get the other one. Don't go too far away. Come. There you go. Lope him out across there. Man, he's got a nice long trot. Stop him. Neck rein him. Okay. Around. Be careful.
Easy.
That's good.
All right.
Okay, stop. Because I need to sit behind the saddle. I know my saddlebags are back there. Okay. Walk back in front of the saddle. Okay. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Loosen him way up and he'll walk out really fast. Go. Show how fast he'll walk out. There, he's a traveling. feet forward. Out of the stirrups, like up on his neck. See what you can do with him. There we go. Okay. Turn him away and go back. Nice. Stop him easy. Back him up a little bit. Squeeze your legs.
Should get him going back down and across.
Okay. Take him back to the house. Let me get over here so I can get him going down, because it's getting dark.
Casper, come here out of the hook.
Oh, well, that wasn't steep there. Come back up here.